In this video, we are going to see how we can block some specific type of ads from the creator perspective. So if you don't want your channel to display some inappropriate ads, you can block them and customize the settings however you want. So what we basically do is we click on the settings, and from here we choose ad categories, and you can paste some of the URLs from which you do not want the ads to be displayed. After that, you hit the block and it should be added to the block list, and it is limited up to 500. And also you can just define and block the specific categories. Like I have blocked the alcohol ads, the black magic ads, cosmetic procedures and body modifications ads, dating, and all of these categories. I have blocked those sensitive categories, and from the general categories you can block the specific types as well. For example, if in the clothing brand, if you do not want the specific ad to be shown, or you do not want to have the ads on your YouTube channel for the swimwear or underwears, you can block them as well. Let's say I want to block the sleepwear. I can click on the block and click on save, and that is how you can customize each specific category on how you want your ads to be shown on your channel. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.